Hello there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to learn this PEPE new coin. It's a cryptocurrency about Miles. Shout out to Miles the Shooter. Please correct me if I pronounce it wrong. Anyway, I saw this topic and it intrigues me, so I wanna share it to you guys. It's called PEPE coin, and to be honest, it's the frog icon. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's this one. So before we get to this one, I'm gonna explain that what Miles said here, the basics of meme coin investing, how to find and research strong meme coins, the best meme coin buying strategy, and of course how to know when to take profits, full method. So let's scan this briefly and we can talk about it more in the upcoming videos. Anyway, first thing first is when you buy any token, you're buying into the premise that someone will, in the future of course, want to buy it off you at a higher price. So technically just investing. It's just buy and sell, something like that. So please, before you get into this, please make a research about it. So this buy and sell method, or buying in a small price and selling at a higher price, is called castle in the air theory, as Miles mentioned here. It is a popularized by economist John Maynard Keynes. Moving forward, it's gonna be the goal is to beat the crowd by building position before other investors. So the thing is, you can buy PEPE coin. I don't really know how to pronounce it, Pepe or Peep. Anyway, you can buy this coin on Ethereum or MyCoin wallet. It's technically you can think of meme coins like this, okay? So like the games at the casino, and the L ones like Ethereum plus exchanges at the house. So remember, at casinos, house always wins. However, on this coin, you always get a tip of the odds in your favor, as Miles mentioned right here. So when you play a roulette, for example, the casino, as I mentioned earlier, the house always wins about 5 to 26% or something like that, 5.26 I mean. But investing in meme coins, they're always the tip to odds in your favor. And the tip is, what's the tip here? The tip is always do your research, guys, about what's the meme coin, what's the current news about it, what's happening. So moving forward, here's the 5 steps. Plan to find meme coins and increase your edge. First is monitor which coins are performing. Of course, you can monitor this by site like text.ii, so that you can measure which memes are performing, as Miles mentioned here. Secondly is verify that the token has a strong culture. How can we verify that? Well, technically meme coins are still cryptocurrency and it's just beginning. I think the most famous right now is still Bitcoin, right? Anyway, there's a chance that meme can be Bitcoin, but I'm not stating that. But again, please closely monitor it before investing it. Anyway, meme coins only succeed if they have a strong community, which is technically a community is us, the audience, the environment, and technically the internet. In this sector, community trumps all the other variables. The meme must be funny, entertaining, and easy to understand. So please take note of this one. It says here that the meme must be funny, entertaining, and easy to understand. Anyway, there are many ways to track a there are many ways to track a token's social performance. Here are the ways here. So to track a token's social performance is monitor social metrics on lunar crash, determine whether a token is being talked about in the social circles, which especially Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. I think Twitter is the most good way to monitor about the trendingness or the hype of this coin. So is a token trending on Twitter, Google, DexTools, and CoinGecko. Please take note on Twitter and DexTools right here. These are the 2 tools that you might need to master upon reviewing coins. So third is research the fundamentals. Ask yourself who is in the team, are there docs? So basically, it's just like buying a house or investing in a real estate. You're gonna plan, right? You're gonna do a deep research before investing your money. Same goes with this one. Kindly monitor it and please take a close look at it. And the tools that you want to use is, example is Twitter, DexTools, Google, or CoinGecko. So moving forward is one of the biggest headwinds in this sector are the constant rugs and exploits. What are the exploits here is, although you can avoid this entirely, there are 2 methods I use to help avoid this. So please, to avoid this exploits and this meme coin is make an audit and access the distribution wallets on bubble maps. So moving forward, the 4th one is work out whether you want to follow the leader or play the rotation game. Technically, the leader here is the one handling the PEPE coin, and as you can see here, Pepe coin is the leader of the frog coins. If you want to rotation game. I think play the rotation game as Miles mentioned here. It's up to you really. Just make your game plan here if you want to follow the leader or the rotation game right here. So this is the fourth method. Now let's find the fifth one. It should be around here, but before we get into this one, I want to show you this one first. This is technically the candlestick method or trading stocks. I have a brief background about this. If it's all upward like this one from here to here, I think it's bearish. We call it bearish, and from here to here downwards bullish, something like that. Market is good when it's good to buy when it's at the tip of bull, and then sell at the peak of bear, I think, so, or maybe I intertwined two of them. Anyway, this is the brief background of this diagram right here. And then moving forward, here's how to follow the smart money. Go to Etherscan and look at early buyers of successful meme coins like PEPE. So technically, PEPE is not the only meme coin here, but Miles is talking about PEPE. So there are a lot of meme coins rather than PEPE, okay? If you want to invest in PEPE, again, please take a closer look at Etherscan and the other tools that I mentioned earlier, like Twitter, Dex tools, or something like that. So moving forward, let's assume you've completed your fundamental research. Again, guys, please assume that we've completed our research. You've picked a coin, let's say it's PEPE coin, and we're ready to buy. How do you approach the trade itself? A 3-steps plan. Please take note that before buying, treat it like a casino. Only trade meme coins on a separate on-chain wallet. Of course, use TA to help you get entries. Again, please treat it like a casino. How can we say that? Investing in meme coins is fun, and you may get tricky and very like as Miles said, but treat it like a casino it is. You won't walk up to a casino roulette table like a casino and feel comfortable. Always feel that something's wrong. So you won't be comfortable. You always check the daily news, the current digest of the coin itself, so you'll be updated. Again, only trade meme coins on a separate on-chain wallet. Don't put everything on one wallet, and use TA to help you get entries. Okay? So I think that is most of it. Let's take this last part right here. Let's assume you're up now. It's time to take profits. What's the strategy? Let's say that we're winning on this meme coin right here. Meme coins can make you feel life-changing money quickly, but make sure that you actually use that money to change your life. So it's just like the thing, one day millionaire. Please don't do don't follow that if you actually gain profit here. One easy rule to take your initial entry out after 2 times is the way you're riding the trade with house money. Technically, remaining capital is still yours. Just remain it right there. As Miles said, actually, I really like the info of Miles here. Always remain your capital. Don't use it. Just make it like grow more, and just use the revenue, not the capital. Anyway, I think that covers most of it. We can talk about it more later on, like dive into it much more. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.